Okay, guys, great news. We had two trades today, and they were two beautiful trades, more than enough to make one happy every single day if we just had what we had today. Nothing crazy, but why do any more? Let me explain what we did here. And everybody heard it, and just about everybody, I think, took 1027 on the ES, Eastern Standard Time. We went long 45.74 quarter. That trade was good between 5 and 9 points. Personally, I took 5 points. I told everybody that it can get all the way up to 45.83. All right. Again, this is a pure everything we do here is a pure method trade. And considering that those who don't know the methodology are only understanding or seeing 10% of the entire method, there were so many other trades. But here's trade number one. Trade number two was in crude. Here it is. And that was at 954. And that was off of, I believe, 82.30. That went for 25 pennies. 25 pennies. So when we look at the market today and we start to ask ourselves, okay, what were the opportunities other than what we took? I'm going to go over a few of those with you. But before I do that, I want you to be very clear on something. If you only went in to the trade with, let's say, 3 or 4 contracts, okay? With 3 or 4 contracts, an individual could have taken out of, a trade like this 6 to 700, and on crude could have taken about $500, $600. Now, if you start thinking about that and you go, well, on 2 trades, Sam, and I'd be done by 10:30 in the morning, yeah, and that's only a small part of the whole day. Let's take a look at some other opportunities real quick because I think it's important. So we had an S play over here at 942, and actually that trade took it from 63.50 all the way up to the top. Okay, did not call that trade. Okay, I'm not looking to make people rich in here. Okay, that's not what we do in here. If that was the case, I would charge $3,000 a month, right? So we had 2 gorgeous trades. That was another opportunity. Apple, by the way, just reported a little bit ago, and so did Amazon. They both missed their numbers. And then in crude, there was a trade, an 82 short trade right here at 11.12. Now that went from 82, just about 40 pennies. We'll just say 30 pennies. So anybody who knows the methodology would have taken that trade. It's what you do, and it's what you understand with what you do and how you deal with the understanding of what you have. And, we have guys in the room. Most of the people know the methodology. They're my students. Other people, they're members of what we call the call room, the DNA room. The problem is this. We got out of that beautiful ES trade today, right? We got out of the trade. Again, I took 5 points in it. Some people may have held longer. Again, the target was all the way up to 83. Whatever. I did not hold for that. I held in for 79 quarter, and I got that, and that's where my X is. I got out, right? So what was interesting is there was an individual who was in the room. He does not know the methodology. He did take the trade long, and then all of a sudden he said, "Hey Sam, could you tell me what went wrong?" And I said, "Well, what do you mean what went wrong?" He goes, "I went short after I got out of the trade." I said, "Why would you go short?" He never answered the question. You see, when you take a trade, it has to be a methodology trade, a method trade. It can't be, well, gee, if Sam doesn't think it may go any higher here, I guess maybe then I'll just go short. That's not how things work in life. That's like, being at a red light and saying, well, usually the red light lasts for about a minute, minute 20 seconds. Well, after a minute 20 seconds, heck it. I'm just going to go through the red light and hopefully it turns green. No, that's not how life works. How life works is exactly how we've done it for the last 2 weeks with 2 losing trades. With that being said, we're going to end the conversation. I want everybody to have a great day. Don't forget to be back here for Bonus Friday. Everybody have a great day.